OpenKM offers a complete audit of everything that happens within the document management system. In the browser, users can apply traceability to any node. By inserting a date range, they can search based on any indicator, or even run a full audit. The administrator from the administration area has access to a complete audit functionality. By inserting date range, you can search via user, by author, document, folder, email, record, administrator activity, etc. Any event of any nature can be audited in OpenKM. And as you can see, the administrator will have access to full traceability.